Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Spetu Papas, another one in the back.
Isitudlo esinefuture uyasazi mfethu. Makuvela sona yonke into right. Ayithola right then. I'm happy my dog 3 point sifakile ebhekini. And I'm happy ukuthi siluzile ukukora ama goals abhaya. Lama goal senze grand ngoba lama goals siwabekele Saturday. That's the most important game leya Saturday. Uyayithola. Because manje la ilike yethu asinandaba nayo. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ile game ya Saturday. Ngiyacela nakumabhakaniya ukuthi Saturday bafethu from 11 o'clock sibe siqole la esigodini. Leza ipari leza zihlalise blind zasisha 3 kwajabula ama enemy kwajabulana. But I know spirit sethu samabhakaniya ukuthi sobe sila from 11 leza ipari sizishake zizwe. First half sibe silina 3-0. Second half siqede ngabantu. So all I would like to say for manje ukuthi mabhakaniya asibambaneni bafethu siqineni asikakaphumi la isitase sethu ngakutshela nalathi ngathi isitase sethu sesithathe sethu so asipheli moli 3-0 iveze ama enemy ukuthi ajabule ukuthi ini baphumile asiphumanga thina so thina into esizoyenza Saturday bafethu all I want to say as-attendeni siqede ipari 5 goals izongena la today senze kahle singakori lama goal siwabekele Saturday ngisasho namanje sithi thina siyaya ku group stage no matter what angithukanga thank you Jayami.
Last question Papas, namhlanje who was your man of the match today?
Man of the match yami for mina ithi ngizomfana mobane
Police.
Umfana muthu Police. Yes, right. Police and Tito, they were the best player from today. I mean for today. Yeah. Badlalile amajita blind. Sekile ama chance but ipola linjalo. So all I want to ngisasho ukuthi lama chance Saturday kumele siwasebenzise. Thank you Jaya.
Bopa.